My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? I can't stand to see me walk out the door. I can't stand to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for Mom and Dad for sticking two together, cause we don't know how. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it till there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. If what they say that nothing is forever, what makes love the exceptions? Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, are we so in denial when we know we're not happy here? Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. You're alright now, fella. Oh, what's cooler than being cool? I can't hear you, no. I see what's cooler than being cool. And alright, alright, alright now, lady. We're gonna break it down in just a few seconds here. Don't make me break it down for nothing. I wanna see you all on your arms by this behavior. I say you give me some sugar and your neighbor. Shake, 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 shake it like a Polaroid. Shake, 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 shake it like a Polaroid picture. Now be shaking, oh no, be shaking, shake, 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 shake it like a Polaroid picture. Now be shaking, I say,